By now, you should be familiar with setting up documents to print. In this video, I will set up the Excel report for printing. So, I set the area to print. Then, I select the printer and the paper size. Then I preview the document. Since the preview shows the document aligned to the left, I center the document horizontally. Notice that the PDF document shows the information larger than the preview in Excel. So, I enlarge the area Next, I add the file path and name to the page footer. And adjust the font size Finally, I add the date and time to the page header. As a result, the Excel report will print on paper like the PDF file. Watch the videos that follow to see how I create the other two reports.